Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is simple and compound interest. So, from the topic today, I am going to explain 5.3 exercise problems. Listen well. So here is the question. Yadaya for his family needs. One person, Yadaya, for his family needs, borrowed 5,120 rupees. So here solution. Borrowed amount is nothing but principal amount. How much? 5,120 rupees. Okay. Yadaya borrowed 5,120 rupees for his family needs at a rate of 12.5%. What is the rate of interest? R is equal to 12.5%. It is nothing but 25/2%. Per annum, compounded annually. The interest is compounded annually. It means every 1 year he has to pay the interest amount. To clear the debt, at the end of 2 years 9 months, so he is going to pay that amount at the end of 2 years 9 months. At the end of 2 years 9 months, so what is the total amount he has to pay after 2 years 9 months? You have to find it. Okay, see here, n is equal to 2 years 9 months. 2 years 9 months. Interest is compounded every 1 year. See here, amount he has to pay after 1 year. After 1 year means principal amount 5,120 rupees and rate of interest 25/2%. And n is equal to 1. First, I is equal to PTR by 100. I is equal to PTR by 100. We can use this formula or that formula. Both formulas we can use. P means 5,120 into what is the time? 1 year. Rate of interest 25/2. By 100. It is nothing but 5,120 into 25/100 into 2. 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. 11. 2 5s and 2 6s are. 5 5s are 5 2s are. Next. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 640 rupees. So, for 1 year, he has to pay 640 rupees interest. Then, total amount A is equal to P plus I is equal to 5,120 plus 640. So, after 1 year, he has to pay 5,760 rupees. So amount he has to pay to next year. Why? Because interest is compounded every 1 year. Now next year this amount is nothing but principal amount of 5,760 rupees. And rate of interest R is equal to 25/2%. N is equal to 1. Same. I is equal to PTR by 100. P means 5,760 into 25/2 by 100. It means 5,760 60 into 25 by 100 into 2. 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are and 2 8s are. Next 5 5s are 5 2s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 how much? 720 rupees. So after next year he has to pay interest 720 rupees. Then what is the A is equal to P plus I. What is the principal amount here? 5760 plus 720. Add this. Has to pay 6480 rupees after 2 years. See here, now first year and second year completed. Next 9 months. So the amount he has to pay after 2 years 9 months. P is equal to 6480 and R is equal to 25 by 2 percentage. N is equal to 9 months. This month I am converting into years. It means 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4 years. To find the interest, what is the formula? I is equal to PTR by 100. Now in calculations, 25 ones are 25 fours are. Next 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Remaining okay 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 2s and 0. Next 4 4s are 16. 0 and 5. 4 5s are. Next 2 2s are 0. 2 2s are and 0.5. 3 5s are 50. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 3 5s are 50. Okay. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 zeros are 0. 3 2s are 6. So what is the interest here? 607.50. Now A is equal to P plus I. P means what is the principal amount here? 6480 plus I is nothing but 607.5. 6480 607.50. He has to pay 7,087.50 rupees. So after 2 years 9 months he has to pay the amount 7,087.50. Now compound interest. Is equal to 7,087.50 minus 5,120 rupees. So Yadaya has to pay total amount after 2 years 9 months 7,087.50 rupees. So this is the total amount. What is the compound interest? How much interest he paid 2 years 9 months? So compound interest he paid is equal to 7,087 minus 5120. So he paid 1,967.50 rupees to 2 years 9 months. So this is the compound interest. So 8th class students, here another question. Sudhakar borrows 15,000 from a bank. Sudhakar borrows 15,000 from a bank to renovate his house. He borrows the money 9% per annum. So what is the rate of interest here? 9%. Simple interest over 8 years. So he took that money by giving the chance 8 years. What are his monthly repayments? Okay, now Sudhakar he borrowed 15,000 rupees money from a bank and he is paying monthly installments to 8 years. What is the time duration? Time duration is 8 years and he is paying that amount monthly wise installments. What is the monthly installment of Sudhakar? What is the monthly installment of Sudhakar? You have to find. Okay, now Sudhakar borrows 15,000 from a bank to renovate his house and he is paying that amount as an installment. What is the time duration? 8 years. You have to find what is the monthly installment amount of that Sudhakar. You have to find. What is the borrowed amount? Principal amount P is equal to 15,000. What is the rate of interest? R is equal to 9%. And what is the time duration? 8 years. Okay. Now I is equal to PTR by 100 is equal. P means 15,000 into 9 into 8 by 100. 0 0 cancel. So 150 into 8 9 is 72. Now multiply this. 0. 15 2 is 30. 15 7 is 105. 105 plus 3 108. So after 8 years, what is the interest? 10,800. So after 8 years, amount he has to pay. He has to pay to bank is equal to P plus I is equal to 15,000 plus 10,800. 15,000 plus 10,800. He has to pay 25,800 to that bank persons. But he is not paying at a time. He is paying as a monthly installment. You have to find what is the monthly repayments. Monthly repayments of Sudhakar is equal to 25,800 by, so total how many years? 8 years. That amount is to 8 years, and in every year there are 12 months is equal to 25,800 by 8 into 12. Now any cancellations? 2 6 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 0 and 0. Next 2 3s are 2 6s are 12, 9, 2 4s are 2 5s and 0. Next 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are and 0. 2150 by 8. 8 2s are 16. Sorry. Okay, 8 2s are 16. 5 remaining. 55. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 0. 2 7s are 15. 2 1s are 2 0. 2 7s are 14. 5. 2 5s are. Next. 2 2s are 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6, 15, 2 7s are 0.5. So 537.5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12, 17. 2 8s are 15. 2 7s are 5. So what is monthly payment? 268.75 rupees. So what is the monthly installment? Monthly installment of that Sudhakar is 268.75 rupees.